Hello everybody. Today we are not in the school, but we are in the house. This is Lawrence, the NPC. Yes. And I am King Carl Escabi.
Wow.
Gising.
Hey, did you wonder if people get scared from heights? Why don't they get scared from by looking up? Isn't that concerning?
Oh.
Hey, did you wonder? Teacher says, if sharing is caring, then why are we allowed to share our answers in exam? Isn't that concerning?
Start. Did you know that atoms don't even touch each other? So it means if I punch you right now, I didn't punch you because our atoms didn't even touch. Sasabihin nga na, isn't that concerning? Bro, I heard you had the magic. What's that? Magic? Yeah. You see this? Head. Boom! Oh. Hey! Don't leave me! Yippee! Bro! I heard you had the magic. Yes, what is that?
Yo bro! Here! Oh!
Hey, takbo! Hey, don't leave me!
Why? Kung pangit ka, pogi ako eh.
Oh! When I was born, I was at a young age.
Kung tinatamad ka mag-aral, umabsent ka.
Kung may problema ka, it's your problem.
Pogi kami eh. Thank you guys for watching, everybody. Or anybody. Huh? Anybody. Oh, tama. Everybody. Salamat sa pagpususuportan nyo. Pogi lang.